All right, guys, today is Wednesday and it is Earth Day. So today I have a little art project for you to try at home if you have these things. All right, so your mom and dad may have coffee filters, and when they come, they're kind of more like this. We use them in our classroom at school. So if you have one, have any, ask your parents for one. And then I want you to take them, and you'll need to put like a piece of paper underneath it. And I want you to color it green and blue, okay? So if we were at school, we would be doing this art project this week at school. So, doing some blue, then I'm gonna put some more green on. Then maybe a little bit of blue over here. Add some blue down there. And I'm gonna color almost all the white, okay? So I've got most of it done. Let me add a little blue over here. All right, then you'll have to ask your parents for a spray bottle. And if you don't have a spray bottle, you can take your hand and dip it in a cup and kind of sprinkle it on it like that. But this is something you have to do with your parents, only if your parents say it's okay. So I have a spray bottle, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it. And see how the colors are running together? Now, what we have to do is we have to let it dry, and after it dries, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, Pre-K, so my earth has dried now, and this is what it looks like when it's dried. You can see the green for the land and the blue for the ocean. And what you can do now is you can take it and make a picture, a sky picture. So you can do two things. If you have white paper, you can put it on the white paper, and you could add a sun to it. All right, see, like I cut some yellow paper, and I made strips for the sun rays, and so you could make it kind of like that. All right, or if you don't have yellow construction paper, you could do it with white and color it yellow, or you could do one of space. If you had a black sheet of paper, you could put it on the black sheet. Do the same thing with your sun, and you could add the moon. So you could have a full moon, or you could have a crescent moon, and then you could add stars to it. Like if you had a white crayon, I could put stars like this. All right, so you could make a whole outer space picture. But any way you want to do it is great, but I just wanted to give you an Earth Day art activity. All right, Pre-K, here is today's video of the caterpillars. You can see their chrysalis forming even more around their bodies. It's hard to tell that they're caterpillars anymore, but they're all hanging around and doing well. They're not really moving much. All right, Pre-K, for today's stories, we have one called The Curious Garden, which is your storybook. And then we have Our Earth Helping Out, which is our nonfiction book, okay? And it's going to tell you about some ways to help the earth since today is Earth Day. So you'll watch the story, and then also they'll read this one to you. And then when you finish, there's some puzzlers on the side. There's the word match like we usually have.
Read the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture.
A place that is out of the sun.
All right, so a place that's outside of the sun. And if you go over the words,
Shade.
It'll read them to you. So shade is a place that's out of the sun.
Nice work.
To use all or part of something again.
And then it'll give you another definition.
Planet.
Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer.
Gardens want to explore.
All right, so fact or fiction. Remember that a fact is something that is true, okay? Something that can be proven. And fiction is something that is make-believe, okay? So you decide if it's fact or fiction when they read it to you, okay? And then last is which comes first.
Look at these 3 pictures. What happened first? Drag that picture to the yellow box.
All right, so you're going to put them in order, first, next, and last, looking at the pictures from the storybook like we do all the time in small groups. All right, I will put these on Dojo so your parents can find them. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see you on Thursday.